Hey guys, Haz here at Shield K9. So today we're going to be talking about puppy recalls. Now, recalls, especially with puppies, we divide it into formal command and an informal recall. A formal command is something that the dog understands that he must do. We want him, of course, to be motivated to do it, but he understands that he must do it. An informal command is something where we're just saying to the dog, hey, we would like you to do this. There's really no way we can make you do it, but we would like you to do it, okay? So for recalls, I divide it into these two things because there are going to be times in your puppy's life when you really can't make him do something. So you shouldn't put yourself in a position where you can be burned on a formal command in that situation. Let's say you have a big backyard like this and he's at the back corner of the backyard and you say, Fido, come, and he chooses not to come. You don't have a leash on him, you don't have anything on him. Your only option is, of course, to run into the yard and chase him down. So that would be a situation where I would never give a formal command because I can't make it happen. I don't give commands that I can't enforce because then my dog is going to learn the habit of being optional with commands. He's going to learn that he can ignore me. So if my dog's wearing a leash, obviously I can enforce the command. If he's wearing nothing, I can't catch him. Why would I ever use a formal command and set myself up and to set the dog up to learn that he has the option to not listen? In situations where I would like the puppy to come to me, but I can't really reinforce it, all I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go pup, 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 chip. I'll just do that little high-pitched pup, pup, pup. Usually puppies like high-pitched noises. He's gonna come to me. I'm gonna pat him, praise him, give him a food reward. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. It doesn't really matter. The important thing is it wasn't really formal. It's optional. So if he chooses to not come, it's not the end of the world. I can just go and get him. Now here again, people are so frivolous. I only say come when I want him to come. If I want him to come this way, right, I'm not gonna formally recall him. I'll just pull him this way. When I say, Vito, come, good. I say it, and I accompany it with a negative reinforcer, and I make sure it happens every single time. When he hears those words from day one, he must come to me.